Hey y'all, I'm Chann and you're watching Made by Chann, and today I'm going to be showing you everything I plan on making this winter / early spring. Hopefully. I feel like I'm not as ambitious this time around. We'll see. I just have my notes on my phone, so if you see me looking down, that's what I'm looking at. Okay, first up, I want to try and make jeans. I have this 10-ounce denim that I got from Stylemaker Fabrics. I want to try and make the True Bias Lander jeans. I have said before that I'd like to make these jeans. I don't find pants intimidating anymore now that I've made 3 pairs of shorts, I think, yes. But I do plan on making them whilst comparing the pattern to my pants block, and I'll walk you through the whole process in the video, but I think they're gonna be less intimidating if I do it that way. So that's the first thing. I've also decided I want to make flare jeans this year, but we're gonna work our way up to that. That's gonna be the second thing that I make. Okay, next I think the pattern maker is Stitch Witch. I'm gonna make the Tudor blouse, the wrap blouse version, and I have this. This is a cranberry or red. I'll put the exact color name in the description box. Cotton shirting fabric. I have a lot of this because I had planned on making a Mayo Sodas dress for Christmas and then I didn't. So I was like, why don't you make a top? Because I don't know if I want to make the Mayo Sodas dress out of this type of fabric again. But I think it'd make a cute little wrap blouse. I think I have enough for it, and I could wear it now. If you're unfamiliar, if this is your first time watching me, I live in Texas, and it will definitely be warm enough for me to wear this, hopefully. So I think, yeah, I've never made one of those patterns before, made a Stitch Witch pattern before, but we'll see. I've heard good things. Next, this might be a side project. I don't know if I'm going to put this on the channel or on Instagram, we'll see, but I am going to make the Lindsay Pullover by Vikisews out of this bamboo cotton fleece that I also picked up from Stylemaker Fabrics. I'm waiting on my zipper to come in the mail, but I like, something you all probably don't know about me is that I like colorful hoodies and sweatshirt attire. I don't own any black ones, so, and the Lindsay Pullover, I already have enough hoodies, but I wanted just something I could like throw on that's perfect for Texas winter and early spring, so that's what I plan on making with this. And then the others I don't have fabric for yet, but I want to make this outfit which is also very similar to this outfit, which I just see it as like wide leg trousers with a fitted top. So I have the crop top or the crop sweater situation and the tank top. For the pants, I think I'm going to do the Daphne trousers by Vikisews, or I could try the Jacqueline trousers, but I think the Daphne are more on point with the picture. And then for the crop sweater, I think I want to do the toaster sweater. I'm just having a hard time finding fabric for the toaster sweater because I don't want it to be a thick, fleecy situation. I kind of want it to be more of a rib knit. If you have suggestions, please. I want to do the stripes too, so please let me know, even though I feel like that's gonna be a pain to line up, but leave suggestions in the comments. Thinking about it now. And then I think for the tank top version, I'm going to do, what's it called? The Lola Tank. And I think I already have fabric for that. We'll see. I might like hack something that I already own. The pants I am going to do in the neutral color. I think I'm gonna do it in the khaki or camel or like light brown or something. Just because I know I wanted to work with a lot of outfits. And I think that neutral color versus, I would love cobalt blue or hot pink ones, but I feel like the first one I should make out of the neutral. The last thing I plan on making is a bodysuit. I've never made a bodysuit before, but I do really like wearing them, and I'd love one that fit me perfectly. So I'm thinking about self-drafting it, but I also do know the Megan Nielsen Rohan bodysuit exists. And I also want to look to see if Cashmerette has one, because then I could adjust cup sizes and whatnot. And so I think they're a good staple. I'm approaching sewing a bit differently this year, and I was going to make a video about it, but I don't know. I know I talked about that. I tried to make it, and I wasn't loving how it was coming out. But I'm trying to approach my sewing plans by Thinking about all the events I have coming up for that quarter and planning my makes around that so that I'm not scrambling last minute. Like, I know Mother's Day is coming. I know my family goes to brunch every Mother's Day. Why am I making a dress like 2 days before? Like, just plan it ahead. I'm trying to approach it like that. So this winter season, these outfits will apply to things that are coming up in the spring, but also they'll just be good bases for my wardrobe. Hopefully. We'll see. I'll share more about that in the spring sewing plans because I have a few events in the springtime, spring, early summer, and my sewing plans are really going to reflect that. But I'm excited. That's why we're keeping it short. I also have decided, I wasn't sure if I was going to announce this. I have decided to scale back a little bit in how many videos I produce, in the sense of I want to produce quality content that I like, and I don't want to be stressed about sewing. You all, if you follow me on Instagram, you saw I took a little break because I got burnt out. You were actually supposed to get 3 more videos during the holiday season, but I just was like, you know what? I need a break. And I think if I plan for less, great, we have a plan. And then if I make more, that's great too. And I'll put those up. But I'm going to, as they say, under promise and hopefully over deliver. And that way I am not stressed and you all get good things to watch, because trying to pump out a video every week is a bit much. You'll see at least 2 videos a month from me. I can't guarantee that, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Also, that's why I'm doing sewing plan videos now, so I can think ahead, plan everything out, get the fabric, and it's also less overwhelming because I want sewing to be fun, you know? And if you are new to sewing, listen to my advice because you don't want to be overwhelmed by things. So that's the plan moving forward. We shall see. But that is also everything I plan on making this winter / early spring. And if you want to see these makes and follow along the journey, please subscribe. And if you like this video, give it a like, and I'll see you in my next one.